What's up guys, today in this video I'm gonna make a Python program again. It will be a small program. It will ask our things and repeat it with us. Like you can imagine like a small robot. So let's start. We will start with our Visual Studio Code as usual. Make a folder and documents. New folder, name it my Python robo. I will give the link in the description of Visual Studio Code. Open our Visual Studio Code. Here is it. We will open our new file in it. Open. This is our file. We can directly make from here also. I'm gonna select my folder which I made. I'm gonna make a new file. I'm gonna name it like something robo.py. This is a py is a Python extension. Let me check if I have that. Yeah, I will. My Python extension. If you want to use Python in your Visual Studio Code, just search Python. So you will get this. And I've already downloaded it. If you haven't, so first download it. Then we will start making our code. First, we will write print parenthesis and write my name is robo. Enter. I did it by some mistake. See, okay. Now I will add an input statement. First a variable, name the name. This will be our name. We'll ask our name. Input parenthesis and write. It will ask us what's our name. Your name. And we will add a space that when we write our input, so we get a space between the cursor and the words. And then we will print and write, make a string. Nice to meet you. No, we will write something else like nice name. We can write nice name. No, we can write that only. Nice to meet you. Add a space here, and then we will end our string here. Plus sign, name variable, add one more plus, and our string, and write We can add an exclamation mark. I ended my string here. Why it's not starting? I can check if it's working. See. So we get a space here because I added a space in the input statement. We'll write Viraj. Nice to meet you, Viraj. Okay. So if I write something else, like if I write, I run my program again one more time. I will add something like Raghav. So it says nice to meet you, Raghav. Because we are adding the input statement in some variables, so the variable is storing that name and telling us after that. Now we will add one more statement, which will be again a print statement with a variable to store equals to input parenthesis and write what's your favorite food. I will add a space again here so that we get our cursor a bit space from the words, and then we will print again add parenthesis string and write we can write like that as I wish to have, and we will add a plus sign again. We will add a space here also with the string of I will add plus and my variable food and again plus with space and a string. I will write some day, and again I will run my program. I will write my name is Viraj. I will write here with the cursor Viraj, enter. So it's I told you the last time that nice to meet you, Viraj. I have now try our food one. This is saying what's our favorite food. My favorite food is burger. I'll write burger. It says I wish to have burger someday. So why it doesn't have like a space between the burger and someday word? I got that. I can put a space here and then this again. I will try. So I will try it one more time. But after adding the space, I will write Viraj, enter, favorite food. So I will write again burger and yeah, I wish to have burger someday. So I added a space here, so now it's different from the burger word. Now I will add one more input statement for color. input. I think I should make a variable first named color. Now it will ask our color, favorite color. A typo error. Input. Input parenthesis and write what's your favorite color. Well, I haven't named it properly. I will write favorite color. Now I will add again the input statement. No, we added the input statement. I will add the print statement. Print parenthesis string and write my favorite color is 2 and adding a space after it and add a plus sign. One more time, write our variable which is color, again plus sign, again a string and write I will add exclamation mark again. So I run it. I will add anything here, not there, here, anything here. So we will test our color. I forgot to add a space here. I will add it later. I will write red. Red. So I will add a space in here, input statement. Now it's good. So I will add one more print statement and now it will totally explain about me. Parentheses and I will write so your name is and a space here, plus sign, and I will add name variable, again plus, and then again a string and write and your favorite food is, again we will add the food variable, food plus sign, again a string and a space here and write and your favorite color is plus sign, color variable plus, no, I do not need it. So I will run it again. My name is Viraj. Nice to meet you, Viraj. And what's your favorite food? I will add burger. Enter. What's your favorite color? I will add red. Enter. So my favorite color is red too, and now it's telling everything about us. So your name is Viraj and your favorite food is burger and your favorite color is red. So this was our Python program. I hope you liked the video. Share the videos with others, and I will share the code also, source code in my GitHub account. You can access the GitHub account from my description in the link, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.